Phoenix Business Journal and the ACA put on a great program for Pinal County, talking about economic development in our county and what we have done to help that development.
I think this is a pretty exciting event where you're bringing together folks from around the county, both in government as well as business and industry, who ultimately have the same objective in mind, which is to see the county continue to prosper and grow.
Lucid and Solvay and Nikola, it was great to have them there.
Some of what I'm here to do is to just demystify, what Lucid's doing in Casa Grande. We're here to provide testimony to what is happening in the county, reflective of our relationship directly with the county, partnership that's allowed us to get to this point and what we see as our future growth here.
Within the state of Arizona, Pinal County,
if we continue to fertilize it and make it grow, we're not just talking about Lucid, we're talking about corresponding businesses, a whole economy that can be generated from a supportive relationship between local government and private industry.
My role at the event was to present the water resource situation in Arizona in general and how it affects Pinal County, and specifically how it relates to manufacturing. We live in a desert. We've always lived in a desert. It's always been hard. It's always going to be hard. But we have technology. We have the ability to improve things. We have the ability to create more diverse water supply, and that's what we need to do. That's really the key. The key is ocean desalinization. It's really a regional, it's even an international effort. So we're talking the United States, we're talking Mexico, we're talking the southwestern states, we're talking all the communities in Arizona. So we're talking a big effort for everybody to come together, because ocean desalinization is a big deal. It's something that we've known that we've needed to do, and now the time has come.
Honestly, I think part of it is the networking aspect, to just be able to say hello to some of the new faces who are in the county. We're one of them, who can see the developments in the county and feel secure in terms of their investments, as well as looking at Pinal County as a place to continue growing.
Well, they can bring the spotlight to us to show what we're doing for these companies and possibly bring site selectors to the county and see what we can offer these different businesses.
Central Arizona College has been absolutely critical. Almost every employee that's part of the Lucid operation in Arizona has gone through the Drive 48 program. We're incredibly excited that there's been more money put to that, and that it's going to expand to colleges not only throughout Pinal County, but through neighboring counties, which is going to increase our pipeline for talent dramatically. And we need that, frankly, because we're going to continue to scale and grow. And having that track record of success is invaluable to us as we look to actually execute on a lot of our plans for the future.
One of the things that Arizona Water Company really wants to communicate to all of our customers is that we are here to build your dream. We are not here to question your dreams. We're not here to tell you what you should or shouldn't do. What we want is for water to never be a barrier to the dream you want to create for your community, for the lifestyle that you want to choose. Whether that's manufacturing, whether that's residential, whether it's a combination of those things, whether it's a park, whether it's a golf course. What we're here to do is to just simply add water and make your dreams come true.
I have the benefit of being able to see behind the curtain in terms of what our own plans are here, and I know that we're just the first of many that's going to come in the wake of our growth. We did an economic impact report that says that we're expecting to produce an economic impact in excess of $80 billion in just a 10-year period. And that's not just from our direct investment and our headcount, which has grown even beyond what the projection was in that forecast, but it's about the additional businesses, the suppliers that we support already, that are already in the state or that we bring to the state, and are allowed to thrive in direct proximity to our own setup.
As we build the economy, we're able to provide better services for our constituents. Whether that's parks, it's roadways, that's schools, it's the churning machine of the money. It really is what it is.